Programming isn't just about writing code. It's like solving puzzles with instant rewards, building digital Lego blocks that come to life the moment you hit save. React makes this magic accessible to anyone, letting you create something visual and interactive from day one, no complex setup required. The moment you write your first line of code and see something happen on screen, you're hooked. Programming gives you instant feedback loops that feel almost magical. You type a few characters, hit save, and boom, your web page changes color, your button starts working, your app responds to clicks. It's like having a conversation with your computer where every exchange builds something new. Most hobbies have delayed gratification. Paint a picture, wait for it to dry. Plant a garden, wait months for results. But programming is different. That instant feedback is what makes it genuinely addictive. You don't have to wonder if your idea works. You see it immediately. What really separates programming from other creative pursuits is this unique combination of logical problem-solving and artistic expression. You're not just following instructions, you're architecting solutions, making design decisions, and crafting user experiences. Every function you write is a small puzzle piece, and when they all click together into a working application, the satisfaction hits differently than completing a crossword or finishing a book. React amplifies this creative problem-solving aspect by removing friction. Instead of getting bogged down in technical complexity, React lets you focus on the fun part, building interactive components that users actually engage with. You can create a working button, a dynamic form, or an animated menu in minutes, not hours. The real magic happens when you realize you're not just consuming technology anymore, you're creating it. Every app on your phone, every website you visit, every digital tool you use started as someone typing code just like you're about to do. React is built around something called components, which are like digital Lego blocks you can see and touch. React apps are made out of components, where a component is a piece of the UI that has its own logic and appearance. Instead of wrestling with the abstract concepts that exist only in your terminal, you're building actual buttons, menus, and forms that respond to your clicks immediately. Traditional programming languages often require weeks of learning variables and loops before you ever see something visual happen. React flips this completely. You can create your first interactive button in minutes, watch it change colors when you hover over it, and see exactly how your code translates into something users actually experience. This visual nature isn't just motivating, it fundamentally changes how you think about programming. When you build a photo gallery component, you're not just manipulating data structures, you're crafting user experiences. When you create a search bar that filters results in real time, you're solving actual problems people face every day. React's component-based thinking also mirrors how you naturally break down complex problems. Just like you might organize your bedroom by having separate spaces for clothes, books, and electronics, React encourages you to build your applications as small, focused pieces that each handle one specific job. A navigation bar component handles navigation, a product card component displays product information, a shopping cart component manages purchases. This modular approach means you're not staring at thousands of lines of intimidating code. You're working with bite-sized, manageable pieces that you can understand, test, and improve individually. When something breaks, you know exactly which component to check. When you want to add a feature, you know exactly where it belongs. Since you just learned about React's components being like digital Lego blocks that you can instantly interact with, which sounds more appealing to you? Starting with traditional programming where you spend weeks learning theory before seeing anything visual, or jumping straight into building buttons and menus that respond to your clicks? Comment your answer below. Now let's explore exactly how React makes this instant visual feedback possible. React wasn't born from theory, it was born from real necessity. In the early 2000s, Facebook's developers faced a critical problem. As the Facebook Ads app gained features, maintaining the code became exponentially harder. More team members meant more coordination overhead. More features meant cascading updates that broke things unexpectedly. The growing application became difficult to manage, and the cost of adding new features kept climbing. Jordan Walker, a software engineer at Facebook, built a prototype to solve this. React was created to address the fundamental challenge: how do you build and maintain dynamic user interfaces when your platform served